Hi, this is Jyoti here. Welcome to Job Tech Guru. In today's session, I'm going to discuss regarding C Sharp 13 features. This is the latest version of C Sharp, and many of you might have already worked with the C Sharp 12. So this is just again upgradation towards the new features. So let us explore the new features and try to understand few of the definitions. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. So C Sharp 13 introduces several exciting features and enhancements that improve developer productivity and code expressiveness. So we are having many of the new features which will just enhance your entire experience with the C Sharp. So the first one is enhance your params collections. We have already gone through the params keyword. If you have not watched the video, you can watch the videos related to the C Sharp. There you will get the params keyword. So this is again, we are talking about the params keyword in which you can send a number of parameters. So the params keyword now supports any collection type, not just arrays. So you can always go ahead and send the collections also from one place to another place. So this allows developers to pass a variable number of arguments to methods using types like list of t or span of t and enumerable of t. The flexibility improves method signatures and usability significantly. Second feature we are having is a new lock type. Usually lock, we are using it for the thread purpose. So whenever we want to make sure that we are executing one thread properly, we are just locking it, and again once the thread executes or whatever the transaction you want to do it with the thread executes, you want to just unlock it. So a new lock type has been introduced to improve thread synchronization. It includes the lock. The enter scope method simplifies entering critical sections and automatically releases the lock when the scope ends, reducing boilerplate code and potential errors. So earlier, sometimes in the thread, we used to get some errors if we are not doing the synchronization of the threads properly. So now the errors are getting reduced because of this enter scope method. Allowing ref structs, this is one more feature. So a significant enhancement has been made regarding the use of ref struct types in generic type parameters. Earlier to this version, ref struct type could not be used as type arguments for generics. So usually in the generics, we used to specify the data types. So we are not giving any ref or out keywords. But now we are having this ref structs. With the introduction of the NP constraint allows a ref struct, developers can now specify that a type argument for a generic type or method can be a ref struct. One more feature we are having is new escape sequence. We have seen many of the escape sequences like \n, \t, like this, which is going to help us in giving the output in a better manner. So C Sharp 13 adds the escape sequence \e, which represents the escape character. This makes working with the unsa escape codes cleaner and less error prone, especially useful in terminal applications. One more feature we are having is partial properties and indexers. Developers can now declare partial properties and indexers, allowing for better organization of code across multiple files. This is particularly useful in large projects or when dealing with auto-generated code. So we are already having the partial keyword. We are already having properties like getters and setters. We are already having the indexers. So now you combine all these things with respect to these particular features. So you can declare partial properties and indexers, allowing for better organization of code across multiple files. Next feature we are having is a method group and natural type improvements. Enhancements and method group handling streamline overload resolution by pruning non-applicable candidates early in the compilation process. This change reduces errors related to method group usage and improves the code clarity. So many a times you might have seen that whenever you are executing, you have to wait till the entire program executes, and we are expecting runtime errors. So rather than that, if you are having an option wherein you can check it during the compilation time itself, or you can streamline all of your errors before early in the compilation process, it is well and good, and no need to wait till the runtime. So again, your programs or your projects wherein you are having the code clarity, you can just make sure that it is going to improve the code clarity. Next is support for ref for locals and unsafe contexts. C# 13 allows the use of ref locals and unsafe contexts within asynchronous methods and iterators, enhancing performance and flexibility in high performance applications. So whenever you're going for bigger applications, bigger projects, you can rely upon this ref locals as well as unsafe contexts. Next feature we are having is implicit index access in object initializers. The language now supports implicit index access using the new from the end operator character, allowing easier access to elements from the end of the collections during initialization. So I have already got one of the video for the object initializers. If you want, you can go ahead and watch it, wherein we are going to create a certain object and we want to initialize it at the starting point itself. So here, implicit index access in object initializers is possible with respect to C# 13. So these are the few features of C# 13. Again, I'll come back with the practical implementations of all these things in our next video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and support my channel. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.